Hello everyone, I hope that you all are doing fine. So it's been a long time that we have not posted any video. So from today onwards we are going to start posting the videos. So I have been getting lots of requests about how to use a EDA playground. So we will start our video with that. So to understand about the EDA playground, so what you need to do is do just one thing. Go to edaplayground.com, then in profile go to login. So there you create your account. So for creating an account you use your institute id or make use of your company id mostly. So this is a platform you will see, EDA playground. So in this EDA playground we have we have two blocks. So this is a design block and this is a test bench block. So here you write your design code and here you write a test bench to verify your design. And on the left hand side if you see, there are multiple things, the test bench and design. So in this, if you open, you will see there are various languages which you can use. So like system verilog, vhdl, python, perl, all languages are there. And this is a methodology, that is uvm ovm methodology, you can make use of it. And there are also tools and simulators. So from these tools and simulators, if you see, there are various synthesis tools, free simulators are there. All these things are present, like cadence, mentor, synopsys, vcs, everything. So I will give you one demo, like how you can make use of EDA playground. So this side, let's write our design. Like suppose let's take a design for half adder. So in the half adder, let's take input 1 and 2. This is our sum and carry. Okay, so let's declare our input as in1 in2, and let's declare our output, that is sum and carry. So our sum is equal, our sum is equal to in1 xor in2. Okay, and our carry is equal to in1 and in2. Okay, so this is our design for half adder. Now let's move to our test bench. So now for a test bench, so if you see, there are two inputs. So the possibilities for the test bench will be 00011011, right? So here our wire will be sum and carry, and our register will be in1 comma in2. So in the initial begin block and module, so in this initial begin block we will write all the possibilities. Suppose in1 equal to 0, in2 equal to 0. So this is how we will write all our five possibilities. Okay, so sorry, so this copy paste is not working, I guess. Copy and this is paste. Okay, so now we have all our five. So we have all our five possibilities, sorry, four possibilities. So let's give a delay of 5. So after this also you need to give a delay, reason being the last possibility will be mentioned. So if this is 00, let's 01, 10 and 11. So let's uh, see a waveform. So for the dump file, just give the name file dot vcd, and the variables which you need to print is dump vars. We have to print all the variables, so we are writing one here. And let's select our tool. So for tools, I'm going with iCaris Verilog, and I will okay. So one thing we forget is we need to instantiate this design. Like we have to connect this design with our test bench. So this is, let's give the name h1. Let's give a run. I hope there won't be any errors. Okay, so here what you need to do is you have to click on open ep waveform, wave after the run. So after this only you will see your waveform. So see, you are seeing all the values. So let's shift this carry down. So 00 s0 c0, 01 sum 0 carry 0, fourth 10 sum 1 carry 0, here also 11 sum 0 carry 1. So this is how you can make use of EDA playground. This is pretty simple. And if you want to display your values here, you can make use of dollar display statement here, like this. I will give a sample: dollar display write in one equal to percent %d into equal to percent %d into equal to percent %d sum equal to percent %d carry equal to percent %d in one into some carry. Yeah, so our design, so if you see here, so okay, there is a little problem with the display statement here. So this is printing value for this in 1 0, but let's figure it out how we can change it. So let's give some 5-second delay here. I hope that it will print. Here also you will see a delay, but yeah, so now you are seeing in 1 into 0 and carries 1. So that's it, guys. So this was a brief introduction about the EDA playground. So you will get to know about EDA playground more. As you have seen our videos, we are making use of EDA playground, so that won't be a problem. So thank you, guys. See you in the next video.